Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you two different ways to draw this, a curved version and a straight version. Pretty cool design, pretty easy to draw. We're going to draw an ellipse and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Let's make it 18 inches. And then we're going to take a 2-point line, holding down the control button so it's perpendicular. Make a duplicate of that and rotate it 10 degrees. And then Control D that and mirror it the other way. We'll back up here. I don't know why it did. Oh, I know what it did. Let me Control D this and make it a negative 10 degrees. Okay. Control D and make it 0 so we have a line in the middle. Now here's where you can kind of have your thick or thin as you want up here. So we can take a 2-point line and just go from like, well, you know what? We're going to go short of that and go like right here. Now to get that same angle on the other one, we're going to hit the plus key and mirror it, and then just take that 4-sided cross and put it right there. Now we're going to leave the center line because we're going to fill it in. Let's make this one a different color. Let's make it this light blue. And I'm going to fill in these two. And really I should have gone to the top probably, but this will work. So we've got this one selected. I'm going to get the interactive fill tool. I'm just going to swipe across, and then I'm going to put a little black in here. Whoop, I missed the mark. You have to put it in that box for that to work. I really like the orange better, but we'll make this work. Now there's really no way to use the attribute eyedropper because it's going the opposite direction, but we can get it pretty close because you want it to kind of look like it's humped up there in the middle. And so you're going to slide that out. Now, because we're working in the center of the page, I'm going to hold down the Alt key and select those lines and hit delete. Now I'm going to group this together, Control G. Well, I didn't mean to get rid of my circle. Let me back up here. Tell you what, let me just get my lines. I did not mean to delete the circle. Let's group this back together, Control G, Control D to duplicate. And this time we're going to do it just a straight version. I don't think I'm in the center, but I am. And then remember we did 10 degrees, so we need to do 20. Control D, Control D, Control D all the way around. So you've kind of got like a partition curtain. Now we can actually take this and let's fill it in with blue in the background. And that might be all well and good because but since we have that selected, we can use the interactive fill tool and then put a little black in the middle, put it toward the center, and let's put that blue in the middle or out here, trying to get, well, you know what I did not do? I didn't hit elliptical. So now we can put that in the center. I'm just trying to get it some variation of color in the background so it's not 100% black. Just kind of make it look like that. So there's one way to do it. The other way to do it, I'm going to hit the plus key and move that up. And I'm going to move this over. And then I'm going to take this back. Now, if you remembered, our circle was 18 inches. So we're going to get our twirl tool and get it to, say, 19 inches. Click on it and then go to the center or close to the center and just twirl it just a little bit. I have my rate real slow. Control D to make a duplicate, double click on the rotation, it's still there. Now we've got 340 degrees, so we're going to go 330, no, 320 degrees. We're going the opposite way, but it doesn't really matter. Corel will do that every once in a while, get off center. So we need to take this one, Control D, double click on the rotation. So now we need to go to 220, Control D. Sometimes, or it might just be my laptop. So now you've got a little bit of curvature, and if we nudge this back over, you've got a total different look. I I actually kind of like the straight one, but it's a personal preference. Kind of a, and you don't have to do that background stuff. You know, you could have it all black and get that effect. Anyway, hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.